Take a deep breath and let the world fade away. You've arrived at a place of total restoration. Today, we aren't just cleaning, we are resetting. We are bringing comfort and clarity back to where it's needed most. Stay with me, listen to the quiet, and watch the transformation begin. There is a unique peace in the details. Every careful movement is designed to bring relief. Watch as we gently clear away the weight of the day, revealing the freshness hidden underneath. It's a slow, rhythmic process of turning chaos into order. Can you feel the pressure lifting? Listen to the sound of order being restored. We trim with absolute precision, creating a clean, straight line that respects the nail's health. There is something deeply meditative about this stage. Seeing the jagged edges disappear to make way for a perfect shape is the ultimate reward for our patience. Achieving this professional result requires the right essentials. I'm using my favorite precision kit and hydrating oil today. They are the secret to maintaining this clean look. If you want to use the same tools I trust, I've linked everything in the description and tagged the products below. Quality tools make every session more satisfying. We are reaching the end of our journey. The surface is smooth, the edges are clean, and the harmony is back. It's It's amazing how much a little focused care can change the way everything feels. Take one last look at this perfect result. Thank you for sharing this peaceful nail care moment with us. If you enjoy soothing ASMR, satisfying trimming sessions, and relaxing content designed for sleep, calm, and pure visual comfort, make sure to subscribe to the channel. For those who want even more, you can also join our members area or support us on Tipeee through the links in the description. Members get exclusive bonuses, early access, extra satisfying nail care videos, and special content created just for our community. Your support truly helps us keep producing gentle, relaxing, and high-quality moments for you.